everyone, so today I'm going to be filming an unpackaging video for April's IPSY bag. I actually just got it in the mail yesterday. I was so anxious to open it. I don't know what it's going to be like. I haven't seen the products in it yet, so I'm just going to jump right in. Open package, and it's, I guess the bag is Sideshow. And the bag is really cute actually. It's a little like, I don't know what kind of material this is, but it looks like a little movie ticket, so it's so cute. And then you just open it, and the very first product I got is the Ofra Cosmetics Laboratory blush. It's a Rendezvous blush, and it's for use in palettes and kits. I am not sure if Rendezvous is the shade, but yeah, it just looks like this. And I'll go ahead and swatch it. Yeah, it's a very light blush. It's actually like really natural looking. I think I could really use this. I'm not a very big blush person, but I think I would probably use this one. It's not too out there of a shade. So now the next thing is the I Will Stay Peak Long Wearing Eyeshadow. It comes in this little packaging. And ow. So it comes in this teeny tiny little metal slider packaging. So you just open it, and that's the color right there, and that's what it looks like there. Just gonna put it on. It's very pigmented. It transfers pretty well. I'm sorry that my lighting is awful, but yeah, that's the color right there. But yeah, it's very pigmented. The color comes off really quickly. You don't have to, you can layer it on and it shows up more clearly, but like it's not really something you need to layer it on too much because the color comes straight off. And this one is in the shade 250K8. That's right. Sorry if that doesn't focus. Yeah, that's not gonna focus. Oh, next thing is the Adis New York Lip Balm. That's that right there. I think I'm pronouncing it right. I'm just gonna open it up. And this is what it looks like. The packaging is cute. And then you just pull it up, and it has this cute little pink shade, and it has a little white smell. Is kind of, it smells like a candy I've eaten before, but I don't remember what it was. I think it was like some Halloween candy I had once upon a time ago that was supposed to be fake blood, so you just drank it and it was really gooey. Now the next thing is the M Cosmetics Illustrative Eyeliner Brush Tip. That's that right there. And that's what the tip looks like right there. Makes very thin lines. You can make it thin, you can make it thicker depending on how hard you press down on the brush. It'll make different line sizes. I'll give it a second to dry. And it actually does not smudge. If you just rub on it, it doesn't really smudge. Oh, I just got thingy. There we go. See, it doesn't really smudge, it stays in place. I don't know if it's a waterproof, it doesn't really Marula oil for your hair. It says it's a transforming hair serum. It's sulfate free and it's for all hair types, safe for color treated and keratin treated hair. And this thing, it looks like that, and it's just an oil, obviously. Ooh, very thick. Just trying to get the smell of it. It smells nice. Don't know what it smells like. But it smells really good. I did enjoy the bag. I've had better bags, I think, but I did enjoy this blush. I think it'll really work for my skin tone. This eyeshadow I really did like. The color is pretty good. I think I'd actually use this for like smoking it out. I don't know if the marula oil will actually work or not, but I'm definitely gonna try it out like I said. I love this lip balm. That was what was in my April IPSY bag. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you'll like the video and comment down below what I should record next, because I honestly have no clue what to do next. Let me know what I can do better. Yeah, so I hope you'll subscribe and check back later on in the week, and I'll try to have up another video. So thanks for watching.